overturned a log here, and what I found is pretty interesting. I'm going to try to be very delicate with this. So that, if the camera will focus, there it is a cicada wing, and it's just the veins. The membrane between the veins has been eaten away by something, and it's pretty neat. Very, very cool. You can see that it's totally transparent because there's no membrane. Very, very delicate. Set that right over here. That's the really nice piece of wood that I overturned. Now right here is the rest of it. And I think it's kind of ironic because I had a dream a few nights ago that I heard cicadas in December, and I thought it was the end of the world. Anyway, that's a cicada. Preserved under this log here. Oh, there's another wing here. See if I can pick it up. Oh. No, I can't. My legs are hurting. Alright.